Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to create and import an HTTP custom cloud config link, one of the best features HTTP custom offers for protecting your config file from being unlocked or decrypted by anyone else. If you want extra security for your config files, this video is exactly what you need. So let's get started. Let's begin by installing the app. Open the Play Store, type httpcustomvpn into the search bar, and tap on it to install. It might take a few minutes depending on your connection. Once HTTP Custom is installed, launch it, and you'll land on the home screen, where you can set up a new config file or use one you've already saved. In my case, I'm using a udpconfig file with the UDP server details filled in. If you haven't seen how to do that yet, check out my previous video where I cover it in detail. To save your config file, tap the plus icon, or the three dots menu if you're on the newer version, then select Save Config. Give your file a name, and if you'd like, lock its settings before saving. Now, here's the thing. The file we just saved isn't fully secure sitting on its own, so the next step is uploading it to the cloud. You can use any cloud storage service you like, such as Google Drive, but in this tutorial, I'll be using Dropbox, so make sure you have an account ready, either through the app or the website. Open your browser, search for Dropbox, and either create an account or log in. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, tap Upload Files, navigate to your HTTP custom folder, and select the cloud config file you created earlier. Give it a few seconds to upload, then tap on it to copy its URL. Head back into the HTTP custom app and tap the hamburger icon to continue. You'll see a whole range of features here. Tap on Short URL Maker and paste in the link you copied from Dropbox. Now, an important detail. A direct cloud link won't actually work, so you'll need to edit the link slightly to make the file downloadable, exactly as I'll show you on screen. Once that's done, tap Generate. Wait a few seconds and copy your new cloud config link once it appears. With your cloud config link generated, you're ready to import it. On the left side of the app, tap the plus icon. Then select Cloud Config from the options and paste in the link you just created to import it. Once the file is imported, simply tap the Start button to connect your VPN. And that's exactly how you can keep your HTTP custom configs super secure using Cloud Config links. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow my blog for more detailed tutorials like this one. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.